This week I'm testing the Hyundai i30 sedan. Let's find out how good it is as a baby drive. In the back of the i30 sedan there are ISOFIX in the two outer seats. They're not within plastic guides, but they're nice and easy to connect to. There are top tether anchorages in the parcel shelf behind the three headrests. Now I could fit 3 child seats in the back here. There is a lot of space and they fitted really well. Now legroom is good as well back here. We found with a rear facing child seat on the driver's side, a 180 centimetre driver could sit in front, and on the passenger side at least a 184 centimetre passenger could fit in front of a rear facing child seat. Now the height of the car is a consideration when putting kids in and out of a sedan. Obviously this low roof line means you do have to bend down and in. However, what I have found with the i30 sedan is there's loads of room when you're in here, which has made it much easier putting kids in and out this week. Storage in the i30 sedan is quite minimal. In the back there's a single net mat pocket that will hold but not conceal an iPad. The door bins are really small in the back and will hold a 600ml, but there are the little handle wells in the doors. And there's a fold down in the central seat back that will hold a reusable and a disposable coffee cup. In the front, the storage is equally minimal. There are 2 cup holders in the central console. Now they will hold a reusable and disposable coffee cup, and then you can switch the holder around and it's deeper and will hold a large refillable water bottle. Behind that is a small central console box, and there's a wireless phone charging well in front of the gear lever too. The glove box will hold my iPad and wallet with the manual, and there's another little storage on the side of the central console box. The door bins in the front are really small. There are the little storage handle wells as well. Let's find out how much we can fit in the boot of the Hyundai i30 sedan. Empty will hold 15 shopping bags, or a twin stroller and 6 shopping bags, a double pram and 8 shopping bags, a single pram and 7 shopping bags, or a compact stroller and 12 shopping bags. No dog will fit in the boot. The i30 sedan is a surprisingly smooth car to drive considering how low down it is. Now that driving position does make visibility a little bit tricky, but I've found using the rear view camera with the button down in the central console, you can see behind you all the time, and that really does help. Now it is a very long car, which makes parking in supermarkets and school car parks a little bit tricky. I've also found that sometimes the gear changes aren't very smooth, which can be a little bit disturbing for small passengers in the back. The media system in the i30 Sedan Active is very basic, but it is nice and modern and easy to navigate. Now it does have Apple CarPlay and Android Auto as well, which is great. When you put it into reverse, the camera image is lovely and clear and it fills this whole big screen. There's also another rear view camera that you can put on while you're driving along, so you have a nice view out of the back. So to sum up with the i30 Active Sedan, that low roof line is more practical than I expected, and you can fit 3 child seats in the back nicely. The boot space is good and legroom is good too. Now visibility is made better with that rear view camera as well.